Hi, it's me. I had made a short video earlier today, two of them as a matter of fact, and I was just saying how I was going to go ahead and order and try out the non-surgical um, bypass um, supplement from Roca Labs, and how I was going to do like some video journals of that. Um, there were just some things that I didn't say. Um, And I'm just going to use this time in this forum just to um, say some things and just journal it. Um, Someone who's very close to me said I should start journaling. And so I decided that this is going to be my journal. Um, I have been overweight for some time now. There was a point in high school where I really wasn't overweight. I was always thick, but not as heavy as I am now. But it's just I've just come to a time in my life where I have decided that I am ready to look on the outside as good as I feel about myself on the inside. So low self-esteem has never been a problem for me. It's just the physical aspects of I'm thinking, man, when is the last time that I ran, or besides a trot or something like that. Um, I'll be taking some pictures of myself, and as you'll see on the top, that I'm not large. Is just when you get to the bottom part of me, is my largest part um, of me, and I will post those pictures at some time. But for now, I'm just going to do some talking and letting you know how I feel. Um, who knows? I might post every day. I might post every other day. When I decide that I think I need to say something, um, then I will. But at least it'll be is once a week, so that you can chart my progress with the product. Um, like I said, it is a fairly new product. It was in Europe for 6 years, and it has come to the U.S. Just this year, launched this year, and I'm just really excited about it. Um, I'm really excited to have it a part of my life right now. Um, I've made some big changes in my life, um, and I'm just excited, and I am just so ready. So um, I'll be back. I'm gonna order it tomorrow, which is Monday, March the 28th, 2011, and it takes a couple days to get here, from what I'm understanding. So I'm sure by Wednesday or Thursday that I should have the product. And when I get it, I will be back with you guys. Feel free to comment on my page. Feel free to email me. Um, I am at slimdown165 at gmail.com. And so talk to me, okay? Be good to yourself.